In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bestseller products in Shopify. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a bestsellers section on your online store that highlights your top performing products and helps customers quickly find what other people are loving. First, log into your Shopify dashboard. This is your main control center where you manage products, orders, and your website. On the left-hand side, look for the products option and click on it. From there, you'll see a submenu that includes collections. Go ahead and click on collections because we're going to group your best sellers into a dedicated collection. On the collections page, click on the button to add a new collection. This opens a new page where you can set everything up. In the title field, type best sellers or a similar name that makes sense for your brand. Just below that, add a short description explaining what this collection is about. For example, that it features your most popular or most frequently purchased items. This text can help customers understand why these products are highlighted. Next, scroll to the products section on the same page and click on Browse. A list of your existing products will appear. Click on each product you want to include as a bestseller. You might choose items with high sales, great reviews, or strong profit margins. Once you've selected the products you want, click Add to include them in this new collection. Now scroll down to the section called Search Engine Listing. Click on the small pen or edit icon. Here you can customize the page title and description that will show up in search engines like Google. Make the title clear and descriptive, such as best-selling products for your store, and use the description to briefly explain what shoppers will find in this collection, including a few relevant keywords. Back near the top of the page, find the image section and click on Add Image. Choose an image that represents your bestsellers collection, then click Done. This could be a lifestyle shot or a collage of a few top products. When you're happy with everything, click Save to create the collection. Now let's display it on your storefront. In the Shopify dashboard, click on Online Store, then go to your theme and choose to edit the theme. In the theme editor, look at the left-hand column and click on Add Section. From the list of available sections, choose Featured Collection. A new Featured Collection block will appear in your layout. Click on that new Featured Collection section to open its settings in the left-hand column. Next to Collection, click Select. A list of your collections will appear. Find and click on the bestsellers collection you just created to connect it to this section. You should now see your best-selling products previewed on the right side in the theme editor. When everything looks good, click Save in the theme editor. Your bestsellers collection is now live on your online store, making it easier for customers to discover and purchase your top products.